I want you to stay till I'm in the grave.
Oh, Salon. So better way, but I think I'm getting there. I think. Let me put another 10. Can you hold it? Let's put another 10 there. Oop. Ew, guys. How do I hold this thing? Okay, like this. Uziza Johnny. Yeah, she puts a big breath. I think I'm doing this. I think I'm nailing this. Okay, let's go, girl. It's not a train smash. It's not a train smash. We fail, we try again. There's no giving up in life. No matter how small something is, if you feel like you're failing, you have to try again. Continue until you get it. Oh, Zimi, uziqhuma amehlo zama ubuhle. Oh, but this is, it's giving, hey? I don't even know my lash map. I'm just doing whatever. Literally, I'm just doing whatever. But I think I put like 3 12s, and this is the third 10. So it's the second 10. I think I'm gonna put another 10 and then close it with an 8, or I can just like close it with another 10. We'll see, because I don't want to put like over my, what do you call this thing, the tear something. It's not a tear duct, what do you call it? I don't know, but something like that. I think I'm doing it. I was trying to practice on my sister earlier, and she just kept on, you're hurting me. Like, seriously, girl, I'm not hurting you. Just beauty is pain. Beauty is pain. You can't be beautiful without going through pain. Like, never. At all. Mama said, you're a pretty girl. What's in your hair? Doesn't matter what you wear. Young says Beyonce waiting, but whatever. And somehow I like to thank God for TikTok, because we learn all these things through TikTok. TikTok is such a lifesaver. I'm wearing my running shorts. Like, literally every time you're gonna find me at home, you're gonna find me wearing my, oh my god, let's not make a mess. We're almost done, girl. Please. I was saying, whenever you're gonna come home, visit me, you're literally gonna find me in my running shirt. Because girl, I pay a lot of money for these. So look at this. I just put a, oh Jesus Christ, I just put a lot of glue. Lord. Which size was this? Was this a 10? I think it's a 12. Will I be wrong if I put another 12 here? I feel like I should just like put another 12. Just for vibes. I should not. I think I should. Let me see. Nah. It's not gonna vibe. It's not gonna vibe. Girl! It's not gonna vibe. Just put another 10 and you'll be fine. You will be fine. You'll be a fine girl. Where is my glue? I somehow can't feel my eye. This other side. Okay guys, this is the glue I'm using. I also saw it on TikTok and I hope it's the correct glue. Because at first I saw hair bonding, I was like, what? Hair? So I was just like, okay, if all the girlies are using it, I guess it's safe. And what I like about it is just that it's not like ibabi or anything like that. It's just glue. There's no reaction to it, like and luto. Okay, let's behave, Lash. Let us behave, girl. I think I need to find like a better holding technique for this thing because I don't know why I'm holding it like this. I don't think I'm even supposed to hold it like this. Okay. Let's go. Okay, my mirror is, I think I just made a mess. But hey. Impilweni sifunda ngamaphutha. It's the fact that I've just done one eye and it's been like 45 minutes. Woo! 45 minutes, one eye. But I feel like when I go on the other one, things are gonna be like much easier. But I really think I know. I think I should like put a 10, you know? I'm actually close it when an 8. Let's close it when an 8. I feel like a 10 is gonna be too much. Yeah.
One eternity later.
You guys, I'm done with the first eye. Look at this. It's a whole mess, but like, proud of myself. Just clean this up. Let's clean this up. Okay, let me remember my map. So I said 3 12s, 3 10s, and 1 8. I think it's the perfect map, right? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, let's do the other eye because I'm running out of space, and then we'll see after I'm done if this eats or it pukes. But so far I think it's
2,000 years later.
Stuza. Ay kitipetugilala. Period per. Okay. Okay. Ngiyazela-ke manje amehlo ami look like red. But it's like so late. An hour later, I'm done. Okay. They eat! Oh gosh, they eat. They eat. These are nice. I did that. I did that. Okay. Still does a book. I was. Oh.
Abuka kwami efaka kanjani? Ekazo professional.
How go process?
Singibuka muhle ya. Singibuka ukuthi mona amahle. Yabona nga? Wafaka kahle.
Angithi owesibili nje wona. Leli bengipractice ngalo, qale ngalo. Leli lenze sengilisheshisa sengazi ukuthi ngenzani. Period. Yeah. Ubuhle kuyasetshenzelwa uyazi naye wasitshela kanjalo sizingane mayesiluka. Bese ubuhle kuyasetshenzelwa naye masasi mase ngimfaka ngizomtshela ukuthi sisi ubuhle kuyasetshenzelwa. We did that. It's a wrap. Bye. Good night. Yo, imani napa glue everywhere nje. Kodwa kusalayo. Period.